Hello and welcome back to Studio E. Learn English here, anytime, anywhere. Today, we will learn the key sounds for the last two letters of the alphabet, Y and Z. Let's get started with the letter Y. Y can be either a consonant or a vowel. Let's start with the consonant sound of Y. When Y is a consonant, it sounds like Y, Y. The tongue extends forward, Y, and the body of the tongue goes up towards the roof of your mouth, Y, and your jaw is relatively closed, Y, Y. Y. Yellow, yellow. Y. Yarn, yarn. Y. Yacht, yacht. Yolanda yearned for a yellow yacht. Yolanda yearned for a yellow yacht. Y can also sound like a vowel. It can sound like a long E, E, a long I, or a short I, it. Let's take a look at words where the Y sounds like a vowel. The Y sounds like a long E in words like honey, honey, baby, baby, and funny, funny. The happy bunny hopped freely around the sunny city. The happy bunny hopped freely around the sunny city. Another vowel sound of Y is the long I. For example, why, or cry, cry, or spy, spy. Why did the shy fly cry? Why did the shy fly cry? Finally, sometimes the Y has a short I sound, I, as in symbol, symbol, or hymn, hymn, or gym, gym. We sang mystical hymns in the gym. We sang mystical hymns in the gym. Let's move on to the last letter, Z. Z is a consonant. And as I mentioned in the previous lesson, the Z is very similar to the S. But the Z is voiced and the S is not. So just like the S sound, you have your teeth together and you pull back the sides of your mouth, and you let the air through your teeth to make the sound. Z, zipper, zipper. Z, zucchini, zucchini. Z, zebra, zebra. A zillion zany zebras zigzagged and zoomed in the zoo. A zillion zany zebras zigzagged and zoomed in the zoo. And that is all for today. We finished learning the key sounds of the letters of the alphabet. So keep practicing them. In our next lessons, we're going to start learning the parts of speech. How do we build sentences? How do we organize our words in English? That is what we will begin in our next lessons. So please come back. In the meantime, take care of yourself and have a wonderful day.